I wanted to share something today that I think might actually surprise some of you. In my team, filled with child and teen therapists who adore kids, by the way, all of us adore kids. We adore teens. We really love working with them. One of our biggest complaints is when parents sometimes step in and prevent consequences from happening that the child has earned in another environment, like the school or on a sports team or in an activity of some kind. So often parents, because they see their child's side so well, which is beautiful, by the way, like I think we should all see our child's side and care enough to stand up for them, but we should not get in the way of them getting the consequences that are warranted for some of the choices they might make. Because the thing is that through the consequences is where the learning is. We need kids sometimes to feel that distress so that they know there's a problem and something to work on, and then they can bring it to us and we can help them with it. And the best outcome sometimes is that something goes wrong and your child has gotten this feedback that, hey, that was a problem. I shouldn't be treating this friend that way. I shouldn't be doing this that way. And they get that feedback and then they make adjustments or they come in and they talk about it. And we help point out that perhaps they could have made a different choice. Perhaps their behavior is a little more connected to the outcome than they're originally thinking it is. And if parents step in and they intervene and don't allow that process to happen, we don't have anything for them to learn from. We just have them feeling like, oh, great, my parent handled that and it was really wrong that I was given a consequence for this choice that I made, which honestly, most of the time, the consequences are pretty deserved and warranted. Um, so that's just something to think about as a parent that we don't want to get in the way of our kids getting feedback from their environments in whatever way that shows up, whether it's from friends, teachers, coaches, other classmates that maybe are not friends. A variety of people might provide it, but we want to allow that feedback so that our kids can consolidate their learning and really grow in their character and their integrity and in their ability to make really solid decisions that achieve their goals.